Starting today, only 3 Minneapolis beaches. Why?
It's been a week since I've seen her. Hi, this is my cat. That is the perks of working from home.
Yep.
But
many areas picking up 2 to 3 inches of rain, some places even more.
Is to ensure the customer and worker safety. Starting today, White House Fruit Farm in Canfield is temporarily closing to walk-in traffic.
Over 600,000 people applied yesterday, and that's, of course, only 1/4 of the total amount of people. And you just met Lulu.
I'm sorry, but I have to say, Glenn, that is fabulous. This is maybe the first cat sighting in all of the home offices across CTV. So, okay.
She's friendly.
My baby, my baby, my baby, you're my baby, say it to me.
I have a vagina.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me. I said no. Stop being ratchet.
Kiss. Hoş geldin.
Sorry. I apologize. I always forget my place.
Normalize you not touching my charger. Stop.
Thank you for your time.
Lose not my lightsaber.
What is that noise you are making right now, sir? Oh.
Hi guys, it's Rain. Come spend the morning with me. First, Mom washes my face, and I don't mind because this part feels so good. Next, I have to brush my teeth, and I don't really like this part, but Mom says I can't give kisses with bad breath, so I guess it's fine. After that, we head to the dog park, and I'm so excited because I get to bring my ball this time. When I get to the dog park, I like to take a pee, I like to chase birds, and play with my balls. Then, after that, we head to Starbucks. At this point, I was so hot that I had to get a water with my pup cup. After we retrieve our items, I go ahead and drink my water and have my pup cup in the car. Pup cups are so good, I want to be a pup cup. Now, it's time for my breakfast. I don't really like to eat a lot in the morning, so we're doing something light today. Mom seasons my chicken and rubs it in, and then I have to taste it. I give Mom the okay to go ahead and finish making my food because the chicken tasted just fine. She mixes it in with the kibble, gives me my berries and pumpkins. Fun fact about me, I like ice in my water. Then I eat and then take a nap. Have a good day, guys.
You good? I saw that motherfucker this morning.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad.
Tell me what it takes to get you feeling alive. Tell me how to show you it's a beautiful life. I'll do anything to pull you into the light, 'cause everything will change when you open your eyes. Yeah. So don't you let the sunlight get out without you. Don't you realize how lucky we are? Open up your heart, baby, let it all go tonight. Live your life like it was running out. Live a life, we gotta scream it out. Breathe it in and feel the rush again. You're not lost, no matter where you've been.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
You will be popular. You're gonna be popular. You got some soft lips and some pearly white.
Something tells me that this cat is going to be very accepting of my peace offering.
Want some? Yeah. There you go.
This is Allie, and she might possibly be the fattest cat in the world.
Okay, I'm dumping you out. Oh, God. Jesus, Murphy. No. Well, at least she's doing some crunches.
This is Allie's first grooming, and boy does she need it.
Ma'am, you need a diet. I don't think you're gonna fit in this thing. Okay, kitty kitty. Nope. Nope. I can't even scoop the water. There's no room.
At this point, I'm really going to need to invest in a larger kitty bath.
You're a stinky feline. Oh, is there a bunch of poop? Ew, look at its butt. I'm sorry, kitty, but you have to stay because this is some nasty stuff here.
Being so obese, Allie cannot clean herself properly, especially in her back end, so she needed some assistance.
Hi, kitty. You really needed this. You were quite nasty.
You look like a sumo wrestler.
Most pets look smaller when wet, but Allie, on the other hand, looks like a flubbery seal pup.
You need a diet.
I shaved off her stage 5 clingers, and then I blow-dried her. While most cats tend to run away from the dryer, I don't believe that Allie knows what running is. In order to appreciate Allie's circumference, you must view her from the angle on my lap. It was at this moment that I realized her true calico orb of a fupa.
Not having it?
No, it's not having
Okay, cut it off.
Look at that.
So much hair.
I de-shed her with the Equigroomer de-shedding brush, and I'm going to assume that due to Allie's lack of self-grooming, she was shedding several years' worth of fur today. I sprayed her down in bubblegum cologne, which is safe for cats, and then I ended our session with another peace offering. I know Allie is feeling like a whole new woman. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the abundant Allie.
Goodbye. Hey!
Woody. You boys like peanut butter?